Guys, in front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So once your device is stuck for some unknown reason, all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume up button. Just tap and hold. Keep holding for around 10 seconds. Once you feel a smooth vibration, you can remove fingers from both buttons. You will also notice the logo on your home screen. Now just wait till your phone is rebooted. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.